Hi guys, this is Coach Ross World History. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the program LucidChart. So all of you guys should already have a username and password that I set up for you guys. So whenever you start LucidChart, over here to your left, you're going to hit Create, and then you're going to say New Document. Sometimes I'll have folders set up with documents for you guys to already edit, but today we're just going to do a blank flowchart. And we're just going to go over the basics on how to use LucidChart, and we use this in class quite a bit. So for our new title, I'm just going to title this Example. And so with the blank flowchart, you have this, white canvas, and so you can put anything you want. You can customize it any way you want. You can change, with this arrow, how big the canvas is. Everything's pretty customizable. And so to get started, over here in this left-hand column is where you're going to do most of the functionality of LucidChart. So all you have to do is click and drag and drop to create a mind map or graphic organizer. And so just for the example, I'll do River Valley Civilizations. Spelled it wrong. And if you click these squares on the shapes, you can change the different sizes. You can make it whatever size you want. And you see these circles here that are in between the squares. There's four. If you click that circle, you can create another arrow, and then it'll give you a drop-down menu of what shape you want for your next item. So I'm going to go with an oval, and so I'll go with Mesopotamia. Alright, so for instance, if we were going to do a graphic organizer over the River Valley civilizations, you can make and organize information this way. This river. And the last one is the Yellow River. And so from here, you can customize it. You can move things around if you want. You can up here, you can fill it in with certain colors. So if you want to color code your graphic organizer, you can. It's completely up to you. Everything, even the lines, can be customizable. If you want a squared line, if you want um, a curved line, a straight line. It doesn't matter if you want an arrowhead, if you don't want an arrowhead. There's lots of things you can do. You can add pictures, and the great part is in this search bar up here on the top left hand corner. If I let's add the Egyptian pyramids. So I'll type Egypt pyramid, and it's going to take images from Google, and when you find one you like, you can just drag and drop on the actual canvas, and then you can resize that, and I can connect that with a line if I want to. So now it's connected. You can do all sorts of things. If you scroll down through here, there's all different shapes you can use. There's containers if you want to add a swimming lane, brackets for information, all sorts of different shapes. And so it's really a great way for you guys to kind of organize the information that you want and put it on this canvas in a way that makes sense to you. So an example of student works in the past, this one they organized it, you can see it's in 4 columns, and so using columns is one way to organize your information. This is another one. You can kind of see it's kind of has this spider web. All the information is kind of scattered, but it's still organized. It's still kind of color coordinated, and so the same information is on this project that's on this project. It's put in a different order. And here's another example. This is a project that a student did in quadrants, and they use the picture as the background, and there's different layers you can use right here. You can kind of see you can add different layers to your project in mind maps. And so there's no right or wrong way to do graphic organizers or mind maps. It's just how you put the information and organize it that makes sense to you.